Eid Mubarak to all of you. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ya Aliyu Ya Azim, Ya Ghafuru Ya Rahim. Anta Rabbul Azimul Lazi Laisa Kamislihi Shay, wa huwa as-Sami'ul Basir. Wa hadha shahrun azzamtahu wa karramtahu wa sharraftahu wa fazzaltahu ala ash-shuhur. Wa huwa shahru Ramadan allazi anzalta fihi al-Quran hudan lin-nas wa bayyinatin min al-huda wal furqan wa ja'alta fihi laylatal qadr वजालतहा खैर मिन अल्फ़ि शहर फ़याज़ल मन्नी वला युमन्नु अलैक मुन्ना अलैया बिफ़काकी रकबती मिनन नार फ़ीमन तमन्नु अलैहि वादखिलनिल जन्ना बिरहमतिका या अरहमर राहिमीन. First of all, I would like to extend my felicitations and thanks to the administration of National Formosa University, particularly Office of International Affairs, for such a beautiful gathering, for granting us such an opportunity to celebrate this Eid al-Fitr, which is a very famous festival or event of Islamic calendar. So let's begin with the my brother Afroz already introduced with the Ramadan. So Eid al-Fitr, this event today we are gathered here because of the you can say it's a graduate ceremony of the fasting persons. Those who fast, it's a graduate. We finish the countdown of the 30 successive fasting days. After the end of that successive days, now we are going to celebrate our, like it's called a Thanksgiving Day. So let's go on to the slides. Well, Afroz already introduced about the Ramadan. It's basically to abstain oneself from the sunrise to sunset from any drink, any sort of edible thing like eating, drinking, smoking, or chewing anything which is edible. If we abstain from that, it's called as fast from the sunrise to sunset. That is a simple definition of Ramadan, and there is a lot of objectives. There are a lot of purposes to gain out of it. That already explained by brother Afroz. Well, now my topic of presentation today in this session, I will be discuss about the why we celebrate the Eid al-Fitr, what is the Eid al-Fitr, and how we celebrate. Like I'm from Pakistan, so how we celebrate, or across the globe how Muslim community celebrate the Eid al-Fitr. So first of all, irrespective of any caste, any creed, any nationality, any color, Islam has this beauty across the globe. Everywhere, if there is any Muslim, they celebrate the Eid al-Fitr with zeal and zest. So the next, here I jotted down some reasons, some some motives or the driving forces of Eid. Why the first of all is the gratitude. Gratitude it's like a two-way traffic. We have a gratitude towards the God also. We have a gratitude towards our human fellow mankinds also. How we gratitude to God? It's like God already gifted us with the 30 days of holy month of Ramadan. So we pay tribute, or we thanks our God for such a splendid gift. And secondly, how we thanks our fellow, like for our loved ones, for our relatives, friends to be there, to be around in our life. And the second thing is forgiveness. Again, forgiveness is also it's a two-way stuff, like two-way thing. It's to God also forgiveness, like we seek forgiveness from God from any wrongdoing the whole year we did. Either it's intentional or either it's unintentional. And how to forgiveness towards the human fellow mankind? It's like if we have some like if we have some ego, or if we have some conflicts towards our fellow mankind, then we give forgiveness and seek forgiveness also. The next